So fellas, I want you to do this one thing for me, and it may actually improve your relationship with your woman. I want you to stop saying yes to her when you really want to say no. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, Anita, I don't want to hear her mouth. Yeah, do you know the pushback I'm going to get if I say no? I don't want to hear it. And here's what I want you to understand. I want you to embrace the conflict that saying no will bring. Because what we're really after from your woman is her respect. Respect is quite an aphrodisiac. Fellas, remember this. A woman's intimate desire cannot be negotiated. It is earned. And so when she respects you, when you stand up for yourself, that's exactly what you're going to get, her respect.